Hello everyone. Welcome to our community. Today we are talk about on website design. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone curious about the world of web development, this video is for you. So, what exactly is website design? In a nutshell, it's the process of creating the visual layout and user interface of a website. It involves a combination of creative design elements and technical skills to ensure a seamless user experience. Why is website design so important? Well, imagine walking into a store with cluttered shelves, confusing signage, and poor lighting. Would you want to stay and shop? Probably not. Similarly, a poorly designed website can drive visitors away. There are several key elements to consider in website design. These include layout, color scheme, typography, imagery, and navigation. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in creating an engaging and user-friendly experience. Another vital aspect of website design is ensuring that the site is responsive. This means it adapts and looks great on various devices, from desktop computers to smartphones and tablets. A responsive design is essential for reaching a wider audience. Now, if you are thinking about creating a website for your business or personal brand, or if you already have one that needs a makeover, we're here to help. We offer a free consultation to discuss your website design needs and provide expert advice tailored just for you. Click the link given in description to schedule your free consultation with our experienced web design team. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your online presence to the next level. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, a well-designed website can make all the difference. We look forward to working with you to create an amazing online experience. Click the link, and let's get started.